Alright, I have a 2002 Blazer, and it won't start, and I don't know why. I can't test, the service engine light is on, but I can't test it because I don't have a tester, and it's stuck where it is. Yeah, the other day, I was driving it, I started it up, and it was missing some of the some of the spark plugs weren't igniting, and it was missing the cylinders. And I parked it at, I went to a restaurant to get something to eat, and when I came back out, it wouldn't start. I was stuck. The battery in it was like 5 years old, so I went out with my dad and bought another battery, thinking that might be it, because at that point it didn't turn over, but I did run the battery dead. The battery might have helped a little bit because it did start. After we put it in, it wouldn't start, but after like 10 minutes of me just sitting there turning it on and off, the car did start, and I brought it home. And then ever since then, I haven't been able to get it to start. Well, actually, yeah, the day after that, I did get it to start, and then I came home from school, and it wouldn't start. I was told that it could be the fuel filter because it might be clogged up, but you can smell gas from the throttle body, so I don't think it's the fuel filter. But I did get another one. I haven't put it on yet because obviously it's snowing. But I did clear all this snow out right here because I thought it might be the crank position sensor. I took all that out. Man, there was a lot of gunk on that crank position. Oh, you can't even see it. There was a lot of black gunk on that, and I took it out, cleaned it off, put oil around the O-ring, and it still didn't work. So I don't know. I thought it might have just been dirty, but I did spray some WD-40 on everything, kind of dry up some of the moisture. Yeah, I mean, it could be bad. I just don't know it. If you know how to check, if anybody knows how to check that, it's like a multimeter or something. And the distributor cap, I took that off, cleaned up some of the connections with steel wool, but there was spark going to the spark plugs. Put a tester in there, there was spark. Same with the coil. The coil was giving off sparks, obviously. I just do not know what it could be other than that crank position sensor or the fuel filter. If there's anything else that could be making it do that, comment. I'd really like to know. I'm about to go out and buy one of those testers for the engine light because I don't know what's wrong, and I don't know anybody who has one, so yeah. Trying to spend as little money as possible. So if you know anything else that could be wrong, comment. It's a 4.3 liter Vortec engine, 2002 Blazer. Man, it's freezing out here. That's about it. So yeah, comment. Thanks.